Hey, man, have you ever been driving your golf cart on the road and another golf cart passes you and the last thing you want to do is get passed by a golf cart? Well, let me show you how to speed up a club car. It's the last thing I want to do is get passed, all right? But what's the one thing about it, though, say you went on Golf Cart Whisperers page on YouTube and you did all the adjustments and it still don't work. And you're like, man, when you said do this, it don't work. Well, let me show you what to look for, all right? We got a club car tempo here, which should run with the Kohler engine, should run 29 miles an hour, easy. All right, about 30, 31 is the RPM limiter. But for some reason, man, it ain't doing it. You're going about 23 and it's hitting the rev limiter. So what I'm going to do is show you what to look for if that's the case, because I'm sure a lot of people are going to run into it. The first thing you want to do is turn your key on. You put it in neutral. Then you flip your toe switch right here to the maintenance mode. And then you want to crank it up. All right, so we're going to crank it up. You clear, Travis?
Yep.
All right. Not many RPMs. But why isn't it? All right. So what we're going to do, I'm going to show you what the first thing you want to look for. You want to make sure your throttle's adjusted all the way. All right. But then the next thing is what causes the governor to kick in is your input shaft in the rear end. All right. So what you want to do is look at your clutches. All right. Then what you want to do is look at your front clutch. Oh, there it is. Now, if you look at the front clutch, you can see right there that the wear for the belt is only about a little over halfway of going up the top of the clutch. And see what that'll do with the clutch not opening all the way is you go about 20,000 RPMs at 15 miles an hour. So I just wanted to show y'all that, man. If you speed up a car and it's still not going as fast as it should go, always check the clutches, man, to make sure the belt's wearing like it should, all right? Always remember, man, come to my channel, the one-stop channel for golf cart troubleshooting techniques, tips, whatever you want to do. Come see me. If you got a question, ask me. I have about 150 videos scheduled. If you want early access to them, all you have to do is become a member. Other than that, hit that subscribe button, hit that like button. Y'all take it easy, man. Let's make this the best golf cart channel there is. Hey.